everyone. Myself Harish, and I'm presently working as a technical support engineer in Integra Microsystems. So I have taken a course for business intelligence and data management in iTech Analytics, and this has helped me a lot in upgrading my skills. The course includes Excel, SQL, and the Power BI, and this has really helped me to upgrade my skills and also acquire a huge amount of knowledge in it. Adi sir has helped me a lot in the learning process. So I suggest everyone to take the course. It depends upon each and everyone. So you can take a course which is apt to your career. So and you would also be getting a correct career guidance from the Adi sir. So I have taken one of it, and now I'm here. So I suggest iTech Analytics. All the best.